Good morning, my dear children. Today we will discuss about reaction of metals with water. So, some metals react vigorously and rapidly with cold water. Some metals react hot water. So, some metals do not react either hot water or cold water. Children, let us observe some reactions. Children, have you ever seen sodium and potassium? So, if so, you will be aware that these two metals are highly reactive metals. Take the sodium which is stored in kerosene and keep it on a sheet of filter paper. To blot the kerosene and cut a very small piece of sodium from it. See here, children. So children, we already know metals are good conductors. Put the sodium piece in water using forceps. The piece of sodium floats on the surface of the water with a hissing sound. See here, children. This is the exothermic reaction. Shows that the sodium is reacting extremely fast with water. After the reaction is complete, test the solution with litmus paper. So, sodium react with water rapidly, liberated hydrogen gas. See here, children. Bring a burning candle near the gas. So, we observe H2 gas is evolved. So, we observed hissing sound. Metal oxides turn red litmus to blue. So, you can say that metal oxides is basic in nature. See here, children, repeat the same experiment using potassium. So, this is a demonstration to be carried out by the teacher. Sodium and potassium extremely reactive and dangerous. So, students see demonstration from a distance. Put the potassium piece in water using forceps. The piece of sodium floats on the surface of the water. See here, children. Liberated hydrogen gas and heat. So, this shows that potassium is reacting extremely fast with water. So, this is the exothermic reaction. Calcium react with water slowly. So, aluminium, iron, zinc do not react with cold water. So, react with hot water. See here. And what we conclude? Yes, sodium and potassium react with water rapidly and liberated hydrogen gas. Calcium metal react with water slowly, liberated hydrogen gas. So aluminium, zinc, iron react with water slowly. Gold and platinum do not react with water. Does non-metals react with water? Yes, non-metals do not react with water except fluorine and chlorine.